Hey, to count steps on the Xiaomi Watch 2, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you have to remember that your watch is counting steps automatically. But if you want to get this steps counter in front of you, you'll have to actually choose the watch face where you can actually get this counter. So as you can see, in my case, I just get this step counter right here. But if you cannot find it, just click and hold on your watch face and then just find the watch face with the steps counter. On this watch we can actually find a lot of different watch faces, so we can still customize them if you cannot find this step tracker. Like for example here, let's pick this one, click edit. Now, okay, never mind, this one we actually cannot customize like I thought, so let's go for another one. Maybe we can try to customize this one. Nope, still there's like no way. So we have to just keep looking for the watch face that we can actually customize. Unfortunately, there's no any information on the watch face, so we have to do this like manually. As you can see from here, we can, for example, get another step counter. And the second way to count the steps is to click on the side button to open menu. And now from here, you will have to actually go into the all activities. Okay, I just skip it. So it will be available just right here. Go into the workouts and you can just turn on the walking. So now if you are walking around, you can just simply click go, and from here when you click on the settings icon, you can also set goals. So you can simply change the calories, time, distance, and you will get this steps counter when you click on the go. Click
3,
start.
2, 1, start.
As you can see, when you scroll down, we can actually find this steps counter. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.